Merchant Navy can generally be divided into two sections, deck side and engine side. Looking at this chart, you can understand it in a good way. We will make a separate video on deck side later. Today we will just focus on engine side, that is GME. For engine side, the flow of rank is from engine cadet to 4th engineer to 3rd engineer and lastly to chief engineer, which is the final rank on engine side, which is almost equal to the captain of the ship. For becoming an engine cadet, there are two ways: marine engineering of 4 years after 12th standard, or graduate marine engineer, that is GME, of 8 months or somewhere 1 year after completing 4 years of degree in mechanical. In some institute they allow students who have done degree in naval engineering also, just like grade. This is similar to electrical officer, that is ETO course of 4 months after completing electrical engineering degree of 4 years. There are a lot of questions regarding which is the best way to enter this marine engineering or graduate marine engineering, but the truth is that both has its own advantages and disadvantages. We can also make a separate video on that later. Since our today's topic is GME interview questions, the normal procedure of taking an admission in well-known institute which offers GME are: first we have to undergo the online entrance exam. Once shortlisted, then they will call you for interview. Then if you are getting selected, they call for medical, and at last on the basis of merit they do the admission. Note: every institute has their own way of taking online entrance exam, and topics for such examinations will also be provided on their website. In general, these exams have aptitude, technical, English, psychometric and general knowledge questions. So you have to study well in all these topics, and one good tip to pass such examination is to be good in your basic concepts and knowledge. As I said, after clearing the entrance exams, you will be called to institute or their respective head office for interviews. Lot of people make their first mistake at this stage only. In Merchant Navy, the bridge for hard work and success is the discipline. You are always tested here for that. So while going for interview, don't give anyone a chance to complain on your behavior, because the interviews are most experienced chief engineers sailed in the rough seas for years and years. Now we focus on main questions asked in interview, for which many of you must be waiting. This may or may not be the same question which may be asked to you, but remember one thing: these interviews revolve around your confidence, attitude and body language. According to my some interviews experiences and my friends who got selected in this field, I have collected some common questions which are most likely to be asked as they are important. First, they will most likely ask general questions about you, such as: tell me something about yourself and your family member, or tell me about your work experience if you have done any job after your degree. Then the basic common question most of the interviewers ask is why you want to join Merchant. Then difference between Merchant Navy and Indian Navy, or they will also ask: tell me your qualities so that we can select you. Did you visit any ships in past? Tell me some different types of ships or how ships are classified. Tell me something about machines you have worked on. Tell me something about different types of machines used on board. Then we will shift to the technical questions, which I think you should be well prepared and be cleared with your basic concept. Some common questions are: how ship floats, what is the principle behind it, Newton's laws, Charles' laws, Boyle's laws, thermodynamics laws, two-stroke versus four-stroke difference, Otto cycle versus diesel cycle difference, what is tappet clearance, governor, camshaft and crankshaft, basic question. Different types of charts, just like Mollier charts, psychometric charts, etc. Different types of PV diagrams, TH diagrams and HS diagrams. Then refrigeration and AC concepts with basic diagram and definitions, heat transfer and thermodynamic basic concepts with practical example. Then different types of motors, pumps and compressors, classifications, their practical examples and working principles. Basic workshop knowledge, for example lathe machine, drilling, fitting and welding, bearings, filters, valves and lubrications, boiling point concept, pressure cooker concept, how ship moves in water, what is electricity, what is transformer, different types of transformer, step up and step down transformer principles, neutral and earthing, electromagnetic induction and Fleming rules. How electricity generated is one of the most frequent asked questions because they want to test our knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. All the best for your exams and future.